How to update Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can update Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, let's say you've been using the Instagram app, you've been facing constant crashes and you're having issues with the Instagram app. In that case, you might just want to update it and you might be confused as to how you can do that. Now, very first thing I wanted to do is close the Instagram app, check if you're connected to a reliable internet connection, because updating the application does require you to have a proper internet connection. After you've done that, open up your Play Store for Android users, App Store for iOS users. In the search box at the top, search for the Instagram app, tap on the Instagram app icon. Now, if it says open, then it means that your Instagram app is already updated to the latest version and you don't have to do anything. However, if it says update, you want to make sure to tap on the update option here, and that does mean that it requires an update and it will get updated to the latest version. But as I said, if it says open, there's really nothing for you to worry about because it means that it has already been updated. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.